Hello friends, welcome to UA Infotech channel. Okay, last class we had discussed about data types. Okay, so in data types we had discussed about primitive data types. Now coming to this object to data types. So in object to data types we have objects. So object is considered as a data type. So we have an object is there and array. Okay, and along with we have a date is there. A date is an and in ECMAScript 6, the newly introduced maps and sets. Okay, map and set. So these two are also data types. Comes under the object to data types. Okay, so let me explain this. So let me go to this Visual Studio. Now we can save the file object to data types. Object data types .html. So here I'm taking object data types. Let me take h1 object data types. So I'm taking style tag h1 background color green, color white, padding 20 pixels. Right click, run in default process. Okay, for object to data types. For object to data types, let me create here script tag. Okay, so here create an object. Okay, for creating this object, let me take const person. Okay, equal to, let me take here block, and I'm taking here name UI infotech. Okay, and followed by comma. And next thing, okay, you may take your age. Okay, for age is a number. Let me take 27. Okay, next you may take your codes. So I may take here training. Training. Okay, so like we can create an object in JavaScript. So this is a JavaScript object. Okay, so here is a reference variable, and inside of that we will create here okay values. Okay, now in order to print this object, you can directly print here console.log. Okay, so let me take here type of person. Okay, so next I'm going to print here console.table. Okay, I may print person here. Okay, right click, open in Mozilla Firefox. So next thing, we have an array object is there. Okay, so how to create an array object. Okay, for array object, so go to this object data types, go to inspect. So go to this console. So there we go. The type of this is an object and it will create here. Again, name, age, and training. Go to this. Next is an array object. So let me create here constant. Okay, let me take here fruit names, fruits. Okay, for creating this array, we use square brackets. This indicates this array. Okay, and array will be start. We can call indexes. Okay, so in coming up session we will explain that one. Okay, so here we will provide the name here, apple, banana, orange, grapes, mango, mango. So like we can create an array. So let me print here console.log type of fruits. Okay, same. I may print here. So I may print here console dot table. I may print here fruits. Okay, let me go to this. Let's refresh this one here. So we may get the index value 0. It is starting from 0. Okay, so it will consider as an object. See, it is an array object. It considered as a object. So console.table. So array index starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you may get here the values. Next we have a date object is here. Date object. For creating a date object, so may take here constant. Okay, date equal to new date. So we'll provide here 24/08. Okay, so I'm just providing 25. Okay, so let me print this one, console.log date. Okay, so here new is something, new operators we have. So we use it to create an objects, we use it for this new. Okay, once we can use new, okay, it will create a new object. Okay, so go to this, go to here, just reload this page. So we may get here a date Sunday August, like this. Okay, so this is a prototype, date prototype. Okay, and among this we have, so I told you that we have maps and sets is, okay, for map and set. Okay, so maps are just like an object, but it offers more advantages than object. Okay, in certain situations maps can play as more better than on objects. Okay, so sets are similar to an array. It expect they can't contain duplicate value. So array contains some duplicate values, right? But in set it doesn't contain any duplicate values. So for creating a set, okay, for creating a set we can use set method. Let me create a let me create here first maps. Okay, to create a map here, constant role equal to new map. So we'll create like this. Okay, in coming up session we will discuss more about this maps and sets here. Okay, and we'll assign the value. Assign the value. We will use role dot set. Okay, so here we will use t1 comma user1. Okay, like we can assign. Okay, so similarly if you want to assign more values, so you can write t2, this variable name t3, and this is a value 3 2, like this. Okay, for creating set here, create a set. Okay, so set is just collection. Okay, it is a collection of data where duplicate is not allowed. Okay, let me take here constant roles equal to new set. Okay, like we can create a set value. For adding this we may take here roles dot add. Okay, so I may add like this. Here's one. Okay, so like we have set and maps in JavaScript.